What do I most enjoy about this conference as a whole? Reconnecting with clients is key. Learning new things, and really, quite frankly, learning where the market's going, and what issues are most pressing, and how my services can add the most value to this industry.
I attended the Corporate Growth Conference to spend time with colleagues and to learn as much as I can in this ever-changing industry, and to get the financial perspective of this industry.
Enjoy everything about it. The fellowship, the camaraderie, all the things that come with it here, and just listening to like I said in the very first question, the best of the best in the industry, and learning from them, and knowing I'm not alone in dealing with our issues in our business, that we share that same common theme.
What I enjoy most about this event is the people, the networking. I get to re-emphasize relationships with people that I've met in the past, and I get to meet new people. And everyone here, to me, I consider everyone here to be smart. And it helps to enhance my skills by just listening, learning what other people are doing in their perspective.
Yeah, I would say they're missing out if they're not here, because it's a great group of people. Like I said, it's a concentration of people that are like-minded. We're in the business together. It brings a group of investors with business owners to understand, how can we work together to move our businesses forward? And if you're not here, you're not going to be a part of that.
So why did I attend the conference? I came to the conference because it's a significant gathering of industry people from all sides, both haulers and landfill owners, so garbage men, as well as investment bankers, as well as banks. So it gives you a chance to catch up with a lot of people in one fell swoop. So I've very much enjoyed that part.